Who will read the thought of today?
Self belief and
Self-belief.
hard work will always earn you success.
Wow.
Okay. Self belief and hard work will always earn you success. Can anyone explain me?
Hmm.
Can anyone explain me what is the meaning of this
So
thought?
if we
So,
believe in ourselves and do hard work, we will always get success.
yes.
Okay, it is a statement, it is thought. What is the meaning of self belief? Self belief
आत्मविश्वास और
means,
मेहनत से हमें सफलता मिलती
yes, exactly. Self belief means confidence, not overconfidence, but it is confidence and hard work. Whenever you do these two things, if you want to be a successful, and for this you have to do these two things. It is two factors. On the basis of these two factors, you will be success. Which two factor? This two factor is your confidence and your hard work. These two things only. Suppose I am giving you example. If you want to score maximum marks in mathematics, okay, and for this you are doing lots of practice, lots of revision. So it is been your hard work, and the second thing it is your confidence. તમને ઘણી વખત એવું બી જોવા મળશે કે તમને ખબર ન હોય, તમને આઈડિયા જ નથી વસ્તુના બારામાં, પણ તમારો કોન્ફિડન્સ લેવલ એટલો હતો ને કે એના કારણે એ વસ્તુ તમે ક્લિયર કરી દો. ઘણી વખત જો તમે હજી નાના છો, હજી થોડા મોટા થશો, 11th 12th આવો, પછી તમને એમ થશે કે નહીં ભાઈ હું બાઇક ચલાવું. તો બાઇક ચલાવવા માટે તમારે એટલો બધા હાર્ડવર્કની જરૂર નથી. તમે અત્યારે જે સાયકલ ચલાવો છો, બાઇસિકલ, એમાં તમારે હાર્ડવર્કની જરૂર છે, રાઈટ? એમાં ખાલી કોન્ફિડન્સ લેવલમાં ખાલી તમારું બેલેન્સિંગ જ છે, બીજું કાંઈ નથી. સેલ્ફ બિલીફ કેમ આવવું જોઈએ? તમારું કોન્ફિડન્સ રાખવામાં. જ્યારે તમે બાઇક ચલાવવાનું શરૂ કરો ત્યારે તમારું કોન્ફિડન્સ લેવલ બહુ એટલે બહુ હાઈ હોવું જોઈએ. એ કોન્ફિડન્સ લેવલના કારણે જે છે ને, એ અમુક વખતે તમે ઇઝીલી જે છે ને, એ કોઈ એવી કઈ નાની મોટા કોઈ બેરિયર આવ્યા હોય તમારા ઓન ધ વે, તો એ તમે સોલ્વ કરી શકો. અને ઘણા લોકો જો કે ભાઈ ઘણા ટાઈમથી બાઇક ચલાવતા હોય, પણ એને એટલો આમ કહેવાય ને કે કોન્ફિડન્સ ન હોય, અને એના કારણે એ લોકો ઘણી વખત હેરાન થતા હોય, રાઈટ? So it means if you want to be a successful, you have to do these two things: hard work and self belief. તમારી પોતાની જાત ઉપર તમે વિશ્વાસ રાખો અને તમે પોતે જ તે મહેનત કરો, તો 100% તમને સક્સેસફુલ મળે મળે ને મળે. Right? It is the thought of today. Now we are going to start our exercise 2.4. Like exercise 2.2, we have to solve some problem sums in exercise 2.4. Okay. You can see question number 1 of exercise 2.4. Who will read the question?
Sir, I, Sanraj Menda.
Yes, Sandran.
Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number?
Okay. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Right? Amina thinks of a number. We are supposing that Amina suppose x as a number. Now we have to subtract 5 by 2 from it. So we are subtracting 5 by 2 from our number. So our number is x. Subtract means minus 5 by 2. Right? It is the first part of our statement. Now we can see the second statement. She multiplies the result by 8. We get result x minus 5 by 2. We have to do multiply 8 with this result. Right? It is the second part of our statement. And the third part, the results now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. Now you can see the result now obtained. It means now we have to write down right hand side. Because of result we get on the right hand side and equation on the left hand side. So the result now obtained. So we have to write down in right hand side. In right hand side we have to write down 3 times the same number she thought of. It means Amina think x as a number. So 3 times of x we get as a result. Again I am repeating the statement. Please remember. Listen me. Amina thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Then multiplies the result by 8. Amina get the result 3 times of a number she thought. એને જે નંબર સપોઝ કર્યો હતો કયો નંબર સપોઝ કર્યો હતો x એનું 3 times તમને રિઝલ્ટમાં મળે છે. So it means it is our statement. Clear all of you? Now we can see x minus 5 by 2. We are taking this 8 to the right hand side, so it's become in division 3x by 8. Now you know that whenever you solve the question, we are taking variable to the left side and number to the right side. So we are taking 3x by 8 to the left side and 5 by 2 to the right side. Now you can see x minus 3x by 8. We cannot directly subtract this. Why? Because of denominators are not equal in these two terms. So we are taking here 1. Now you can see if you want to do equal denominator, we have to multiply it with 8. So 8x by 8 minus 3x by 8 is equal to 5 by 2. You can see 8x minus 3x, it is 5x divided by 8 is equal to 5 by 2. Now you can see we have to find the value of x. So we are taking this 5 and 8 to the right side. So 8 is in numerator and 5 is in denominator. Now you can see we are directly cutting this 5 and 2 4s are 8. So we get x is equal to 4. So it means Amina thinks a number is 4. Clear all of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you can see the second question. A positive number is 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Now you can see these questions we are dividing this statement into 2 or 3 parts. The first part, a positive number is 5 times the another number. So we are supposing that first number as x. So we know that in a statement it is given that the second number it is 5 times of another number. So 5 times means it is 5x. So it is the first part of our statement. Now it is given that if we add 21 to this both the number, so we are adding 21, x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. The larger number is twice than smaller number. Now can anyone tell me which number is smaller and which number is larger? Can anyone tell me x plus 21 is smaller or larger?
Small.
Smaller number, exactly. Why? Because of in x plus 21 we have only one x. On the other side,
Yes.
5x plus 21 in which we have 5x. So it means we have to put twice on the left hand side. Right? Again, I am reading the statement. Please listen me. One positive number is 5 times the another. So we are supposing two number, first number as x and second number as 5x. Now we have to add 21 to both the numbers. So we are adding 21, x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now it is given that after adding this 21, the new numbers in which the larger number are twice than smaller number. So we are identifying smaller number as x plus 21 and twice means 2 times. So we are multiplying with 2. Clear all of you? Now solve this statement. 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 21 it is 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. We are taking variable to the left side and number to the no. We are taking number to the left side and variable to the right side. So 42 minus 21 it is 21, 5x minus 2x it is 3x. Now we are changing the position of these two terms. 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 by 3. 3 sevens are 21. So what is the number? Number is 7. Clear all of you? Yes or no? Boys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now write down question number 1 and 2. Then we will do question number 3 and 4. Write down fast.
સર થઈ ગયું.
Written all of you? Boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Okay, now
Sir,
you can see.
return.
Okay, okay, wait. Now you can see question number 3. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Now we can see we know that two-digit number, right? Two-digit number we have from 10 to 99, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
We know that two-digit number. The structure of two-digit number, it is like that. It is known as ones place, yes or no? And it is known as tens place. Clear all of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Boys, if we have 23, I am giving you just example. If you have 23, then 3 is our ones place and 2 is tens place. Yes or no?
Yes.
Boys, boys,
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see here given that the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. We are supposing, for example, if the tens place digit is x, then what is our unique place digit? Our unique place digit will be 9 minus x. Why? Because of it is given that the sum of these two digits is 9. So remaining number, it will be our ones place digit. Just example, for example, if we are supposing 3 as 10 place, so what is our ones place? It is 6. Why? Because of the sum of these two, it is 9. Clear all of you? So here we are supposing x as a tens place and 9 minus x as a 1 place. Now you know that what is the structure of two-digit number? Two-digit number structure of two-digit number 10 into tens place. plus ones place. It is the structure of two-digit number. Yes or no? Are you remember this structure? Yes or no? I'm giving an example. You can see. For example, 34. So we are writing 34 like this. 30 into 4. Okay. And 30 means 10 in bracket 3 plus 4. So you can see in a 34, tens place digit is 3 and ones place digit is 4. So if you want to write down this number in a structure form, you can write down like this: 10 into 3 plus 4. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it means we have two-digit number and the structure of two-digit number is 10 in bracket tens place plus ones place. Here we are supposing that tens place as a x and ones place it is 9 minus x. Now you know that 10 into x it is 10x plus 9 minus x. So what is the answer? 10x minus x, it is 9x plus 9. It is equation number 1. It is the first part of our statement. You can see I am again reading the statement. Please listen. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. We are taking tens place as x and ones place as 9 minus x. Out of these two digits places, we are supposing one number which is known as 9x plus 9. Okay. Now, in the second part of our statement, in a question, it is given that if you interchange the digit of this two-digit number, so here now you can see we are interchanging the digit. Now you can see our ones place is become x and tens place becomes 9 minus x. Why? Because of we are interchanging the digit. Yes or no? It is ones place. આપણે પહેલા શું સપોઝ કર્યું હતું બેટા? આપણે પહેલા શું સપોઝ કર્યું હતું? અહીંયા જો tens place જે છે x હતો અને ones place 9 minus x. We are interchanging the digit. So you can see the ones place is become x and tens place is become 9 minus x. Now again if you want to write down the structure of two-digit number, what is the structure? You can see. Structure we have 10 in bracket tens place plus ones place, right? So here now tens place is 9 minus x and ones place is x. So we are multiplying this 10 into 9, 90, and 10 into x minus 10x plus x. So you can see minus 10x plus x, it is minus 9x. It is our second number. Now you can see the first number, it is known as original number. Which number? Which number? First number is original number. And the second number is new number. Right? It is the second part of our statement. Now it is given that new number is 27 more than original number. So it means if you are add 27 to this original number, we get new number. Yes or no? Because of new number is 27 more than original number. Now put the value of new number and original number. So we get 90 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9, it is original number, plus 27. Now you can see we are solving this equation. 90 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9 plus 27, it is 36. Now we are taking number to the left side and variable to the right side. So it means 90 minus 36. What is the answer? 90 minus 36. 54 is equal to 9x plus 9x, it is 18x. Right? So we get 18x is equal to 54. So it means x is equal to 54 divided by 18 18 3s are 54. X is equal to we get 3. So x is equal to we get 3. It means we are supposing x as a tens place number. You can see here. What we are supposing? X as a tens place, yes or no? So what is the number? What is the number? We are writing number here. 3 and 9 minus 3, it means 6. So the original number is 36 we get. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
So it means original number we get, it is 36. Clear all of you? It is your question number 3. Question number 3 is too long. So please understood this question very well because of it is IMP question and it is useful in 9th standard and 10th standard also. Okay. Now you can see the question number 4. It is similar question. Okay, who will read the question number 4? Who will read the question number 4?
Sir, my question number 3 is pending.
Okay, no problem. I will give you time to write down every question. Okay, beta? Just we are
Okay,
completing
sir.
these two questions, question number 3 and 4, because of these two questions are similar.
Okay, okay.
Okay, who will read the question?
Hi, sir. Ali Rizan.
Yes, Ali Raza.
One of the two digit of a two-digit number is three times of the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number?
Okay, very good. Now you can see the same questions here. We have question number 4, but in which, what is the difference? Here it is given that in a two-digit number, the first digit, it means tens place digit if we are supposing x, then the ones place digit it's become 3 times. So it means it is 3x, yes or no? We are supposing tens place as a x, then ones place is 3x. Why? Because of it is given in question, it is 3 time of the other digit, right? Now if you want to write down the structure, what is the structure? Structure is 10 tens place plus ones place. Yes or no? So 10 tens place means we have x and ones place means we have 3x. So we get 10x plus 3x is equal to 13x. It is equation number 1 and it is our original number. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is our original number. Now it is given that in a question, whenever you interchange the digit of this two-digit number, now we are interchanging this two digit. So it's mean now 3x is the digit of tens place and x is a digit of ones place. And out of this, if you want to write down the structure, what is the structure now? It is also 10 tens place plus ones place, right? Now 10 tens place means it is 3x and ones place means it is x. So we get 10 threes are 30x plus x. We get 31x as our new number. Clear all of you boys?
Yes,
Boys.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now it is given that in our question, if you add new number with original number, so new number with original number, we get 88. We get 88. So what is the new number? New number is 31x and original number is 13x. We get 88. Now add this to 31 plus 13 means 44x is equal to 88. So we get x is equal to 88 divided by 44. So we know that 44 twos are 88. We get x is equal to 2. So what is our number? A two-digit number. We are supposing it a two-digit number is 26. Why? Because of we are supposing x is tens place. So we get tens place as 2. Yes or no? See here. We are supposing x as a tens place. So it means x is equal to 2. And here in a one place it is 3x. So 3 twos are 6. So what is the number? Our answer is 2 and 6. It means 26. Clear all of you? Boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down question number 3 and 4. You have to write down question number 3 and 4 in your homework 5 times. Okay, because of in these two questions we have to do more practice. Clear all of you boys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir, wait. Sir, return.
सर थोड़ा बाकी है।
Written all of you boys.
सर थोड़ा
ઉભાર્યો
बाकी है।
સર.
Write down fast.
सर बाकी है थोड़ा।
Write down fast, boys.
सर हो गया।
Written all of you.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Those who are still writing, please take a screenshot. We have no more time.
Sir, हो गया.
Okay, boys. So now in next lecture we will do question number 5 to 10, right?